everyone today is discuss Nothing Phone 1 is launched. All details are included in this video. Nothing Phone 1, which date launch, and this phone battery capacity, specification, RAM, and space. All details include. So let's start the video. Tuesday evening in London marked the global debut of Nothing's first smartphone, the Nothing Phone 1. It will be obtainable in both black and white color options. The Nothing Phone 1 is equipped with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor and an additional ultra-wide lens. According to the manufacturer, the primary lens has OIS and EIS support, which is useful when shooting in shaky environments or while moving. Carl Pei, who helped start OnePlus, came up with the idea for Nothing, a tech startup based in the UK. With the influx of investors and the success of the crowdfunding campaign, the startup prepared for the next phase of its journey and announced Phone 1 in March 2022. Nothing brings a glyph interface to the phone regarding design 1. The interface adds notification lighting to the rear of the mobile device. It illuminates during phone calls, text messages, and charging. Additionally, the notification LED can be customized to your liking. The Nothing Phone's bare back panel design adds to its eccentricity 1. The company claims that Nothing Phone contains 50% bioplastics 1. The Phone 1 has a punch-hole design with a 6.55-inch OLED display and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The device features a 6nm Snapdragon 778G Plus with up to 12 GB RAM and 256 GB of storage space. It operates on Nothing OS. The device will utilize a 4500 mAh battery with a 33W charger included in the box. It will feature a Type-C charging port. Additionally, the phone supports wireless and reverse charging. Nothing Phone 1 is priced at £399 for the 8GB, 128GB variant and £499 for the 12GB, 256GB model in the United Kingdom. In India, the 8GB, 128GB model costs £32,999, the 8GB, 256GB model costs £35,999, and the 12GB, 256GB model costs $38,999. For more details click on the below link. Thank you for watching.